Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com templates to save over 7 hours every week. Monday.com is a powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, and workflows, and using its templates can help streamline your processes significantly. Let's dive in and explore how you can get the most out of these features, especially if you're running a Shopify store and constantly juggling marketing, fulfillment, customer support, and daily admin. To start, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the main dashboard, which is your home base for accessing all the features on the platform. It's where you execute most of your tasks and where integrations and templates come into play. Think of this like your Shopify dashboard, one central place where everything connects and you can immediately see what needs attention. Next, direct your attention to the top left of your screen, where you'll find a plus sign. This icon
is crucial for building out new boards, automations, or importing existing templates. By clicking this plus sign, you're taking the initial step toward tapping into the vast library of templates available on Monday.com that can be a true game changer for your workflow management. Instead of creating systems from scratch, you're basically starting with proven layouts that already work. After clicking the plus sign, you'll now want to access the Template Center, which is the hub that houses all the available templates. Simply click on Template Center. This area is meticulously organized to help you easily find everything from project timelines to HR recruitment pipelines. The variety ensures there's something for everyone, regardless of your industry or project size. Whether you're tracking order fulfillment, planning content calendars, or managing supplier communication. Now you're presented with two options. Either type in the specific template you're searching for in the search bar, or scroll through the general list of templates on the left-hand side. If you have an idea of what you're looking for, save time by typing a keyword related to your need, but feel free to browse around if you're exploring, as there might be templates you hadn't considered yet that could benefit your projects. Sometimes you'll discover workflows like social media planning or customer onboarding that solve problems you didn't even realize could be automated. Once you identify the template that fits your project needs, click on it. This action will take you to a page where you can explore the template in detail, including its setup and what elements are included. This page allows you to review the structure the template provides, giving you confidence that it aligns with your project objectives and practices before you commit to using it. Pay attention to things like columns, statuses, and automations. They'll show you exactly how the template keeps everything organized. Finally, you're ready to put the template into use. Click on Use Template, which will immediately integrate it into your Monday.com setup. From here, you can customize the template to fit your specific needs, adjusting columns, views, or even automations to better serve your workflow. For example, you can add due dates for campaigns, assign tasks to team members, or connect it with Shopify tools you're already using. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized Monday.com's template feature, potentially cutting down hours of setup time every week. By using these templates, you streamline your process, allowing you to focus more on what matters, and inevitably, boosting your productivity. Thanks for joining, and be sure to take advantage of these handy tools to maximize efficiency in managing your projects, especially as your Shopify business grows and your tasks become more complex.